No Obaake.
No Obaake.
Akwaaba.
Why?
Why?
How are you doing in the market?
Oh, not good.
The market is not good.
Yes.
Why?
Market not good though. Look, my carrot.
Okay.
Daniel's interior.
It has turned to interior.
Yes.
How?
I'm sorry. You are. Then.
The carrot has been.
Yeah, kind of.
How? They can't say.
Yeah, to say.
So, they want us to change the name. When you go to Accra International Airport, you see Akwaaba, mean welcome, welcome, right? And the Ghan people say we should change the name. So change the name from Akwaaba to Obaake. Obaake.
No Obaake.
No Obaake.
Akwaaba.
Why?
Why? Why say you are Ghanaian? Akwaaba. She's my Yaga. Akwaaba is good.
Akwaaba is okay.
That's it.
But Obaake is Ghanland. Accra International Airport, Ghanland.
Okay, if you not change your Accra word, go to back then Ekotoka International and the moment father than
How is market?
Good.
Market is good.
Fine.
Okay. So some people say we should change Akwaaba at the airport. Some people say we should do it Obaake. What do you think?
Obaake means
Akwaaba in Ghana. It's Ghanland. Obaake is Ghana. And the Accra airport is on Ghanland. So he said change name.
Change name to Obaake.
Yes.
From English to
from Akwaaba
to
Ghana.
We go to Melcom Akwaaba. We go to restaurant Akwaaba. So changing means go to restaurant Obaake. Go to bank Obaake. Oh, cannot be rich. Just say uncle.
Cannot be rich.
Just say
Obaake cannot be rich.
Cannot be rich.
So no change.
No change.
Keep Akwaaba.
Akwaaba.